we're gonna look at the Bass Auto-Tune plugin. And right after this video, I'm gonna show you how you can actually get one of these plugins that I'm gonna use in today's video. So if you're ready, let's do this right after the intro. What you're gonna do is to drag one of these ad-libs, and we're gonna use the latest version of FL Studio, 2025. You're gonna drag and drop it over here. Then let's click add audio clip over here. Next thing we're gonna do is to click over here. Then we're gonna detect the tempo. Alright, so click on detect tempo. As you can see, the tempo is 140 BPM. So we're gonna click over here. And next thing we're gonna do is to change this to song. Now listen to this ad-lib. That's super simple. So next thing I'm gonna do is to route this to the mixer track. Double click this and route it to mixer track 1. Let's head to the mixer track once again. Next I'm gonna give it a color. Let's change the color. Next let's choose this, hit accept, and as you can see, so I'm gonna show you a mixing preset. What I'm gonna do is to bring that mixing preset. Super simple, no need to worry. Let's go here. Let me go to my workflow packs. Let's go for vocals preset. Then I'm gonna use this particular one, the starter mix one. Let's drag and we're gonna load it on this one. Okay, so this and everything gonna open on the insert track. Super simple. Make sure you subscribe, join this mix. All right, I'm going to take you through step by step. The fruity limiter, then the auto-tune effects. Okay, so the key for this particular ad-lib is F minor. So I'm going to change the scale to minor, then change the key to F. All right, then I'm going to change this to soprano for the input type. Now let's listen to this. Super crazy. This is what I'm gonna introduce. The very first one is the fruity limiter. This is the fruity limiter. Let's enable it. All right, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Make sure you watch my long videos to learn how to mix your vocals. If you want to entertain yourself, then go to my short form videos. All right, so let's listen to the fruity limiter on our vocals now. All right, super simple. This is the threshold, this is the ratio. You can take a screenshot of this. Then I introduce this fruity limiter once again, and this is different, right? Listen. If you want to know why I did this, I want you to subscribe to the channel, because I'll come back and show you why fruity limiter over here. All right, the next thing I introduce is auto-tune, and the key for this particular vocals is F minor. Now let's listen to the auto-tune. So if you are new to auto-tune, let me show you the basis of auto-tune. This is the routine speed. This is how you want to pitch your vocals, and this is the humanized knob. If you don't want to sound robotic, you want to add realism to your vocals, you just push this. All right, if you want to know much about auto-tune, especially auto-tune EFS Plus, I have a full video taking you through step by step. Now let's listen to this once again. So without the auto-tune, let's go to this. Without the auto-tune. Okay, so it's time to add reverb. So we're gonna click over here, then we're gonna change the name and color, call this reverb. All right, then we're gonna change the color to yellow, hit accept, then hit accept once again. Then we're gonna link this ad-lib, this ad-lib to this over here, and I'm just gonna control this send knob over here. The amount of reverb that we're gonna send to the vocals. Next, let's go and load the reverb. I'm gonna use the common reverb, the default stock reverb. So what I introduced was the fruity reverb. And this is the settings. You can see I've put the room size all the way up. Then I also created a delay channel, and I'm using the fruity delay 2. Nothing crazy. I've reduced the volume over here, the input volume, and this one the feedback volume. Listen to this. Crazy. I want you to use good headset and monitors so that you can actually hear what's going on. Subscribe to the channel if you want to know much about music production. Nothing crazy. How do you compress your vocals in FL Studio Cubase? Watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.